You probably wondered if AI can make a game from scratch with no game engine. So today I am forcing ChatGPT, Deep Agent, Gemini and Claude to make a Valorant clone completely using codes. Each of these AIs will have only 3 chances to make a playable game, and there won't be any 3D model or animations given to them. They must make everything using code. This entire challenge will be done on the Chat LLM by Abacus AI to make the Valorant clones. Abacus AI is an AI hub where you can get access to all the top AI models with one single subscription. Go visit chatllm.abacus.ai and get your AI subscription. It's only $10 a month. This is the prompt I have prepared for this challenge. It's very detailed and will help AI to make a Valorant clone. So first, let's start with ChatGPT. Let's select ChatGPT 5.2 thinking model, paste the prompt here and then click on send. ChatGPT should now make us a Valorant clone. So the coding is done and it's very long. ChatGPT really did take its time here. Let's put the code inside VS Code and run it to see how it looks like. Right off the bat, the UI looks overwhelming. There are controls and there are settings, and the game is called Arcade Tactical Trainer. Let's start around and see how it looks like. I have no idea which way I should go. Oh, I fell. It looks like we are stuck outside the map itself. I don't think this is what should happen in Valorant. So let's ask ChatGPT again to make fixes to this. So this is the fixed code. I'm not sure if this will be anything different from the previous one. Let's run it and see for ourselves. Oh wow, it's really running good. We are inside the map this time. There is an enemy. The shooting mechanics is also working perfectly. I wonder if we could win a game. And we died. So there is a problem we are facing. The bots can shoot us from behind the wall. So let's ask ChatGPT to fix this issue and also make changes to the colors of the game. So here's the final code of ChatGPT. After running it, the game colors and environment is looking much better. The enemies are most certainly not shooting from behind the walls. Let's go and play a serious game here. So the game is actually pretty responsive. We even have recall when we shoot. That's pretty impressive for a game that is made in about 20 minutes with no assets and only code. Next is Deep Agent by Abacus AI. This is an AI that can create anything. You only have to give it a prompt. So let's test it out using our prompt and see if we can get better game than ChatGPT's. Deep Agent is asking us a few questions before proceeding to make the game. That's really thoughtful. This should be implemented in all the AIs. This should result in a better game, right? So Deep Agent is taking quite long. This makes me excited because it's cooking up something big. You should subscribe and like this video in the meanwhile. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Deep Agent is done with coding and the code is 2200 lines. That's very long and we can also preview it here, but I prefer using a web browser instead. So the game is called Tactical Strike and it's working perfectly. The bots are kind of flying and they're also not shooting each other. We can shoot them but the recoil is crazy and also it's downwards. Why is that? So let's ask Deep Agent to fix this up. I just gave it a big request. Let's see if it can handle that. I like how all the requests are listed out here so it could go through them one by one. So all the requests seem to be completed and the code is very long as well. Let's put it to the test. Oh boy, this is so realistic. Look at the bots, those are generated with code and the guns look good too. What the hell? Not to mention the environment, they look good as well. Honestly, this is the most good looking game an AI has made on this channel. We can kill all the bots and win. I am thoroughly impressed by Deep Agent. Although it has been only 2 attempts, I think it's perfect right now. So let's move on to the next one. It's Claude's turn now. We can simply change to Claude inside Abacus AI by clicking on this drop down button. You guys said Claude Opus 4.5 is the best one, so I'm going with it. Let's paste the prompt here and Claude should now make us a good Valorant game. So here is Claude's code and it's very short, it's only 556 lines. I don't know if this is efficient or lazy coding. Anyways, let's put it inside VS Code and see what this is about. It's called Tactical Ops Training Simulation. Let's see the settings. There is nothing special here. We have mouse sensitivity, invert y-axis and shadows. Let's click on start game and we have a countdown. The bots are pretty tough. And we died. This is actually really hard. Let's try again. I think all the bots are just targeting us. We should tell Claude about this and get it fixed. The last game was pretty functional for 500 lines of code. Claude now made the code longer. It's exactly now 613 lines of code. Let's check it out. The colors are looking way better now, and we are stuck somewhere. We are also getting shot now. Well, Claude help me. This is the last attempt of Claude today. Everything seems to be working perfectly. There are 2 bots here. Let's fight them. Wait, what? Is this recall real? This is hell. We can't shoot properly and also the bots are shooting from behind the wall. Maybe we should give Claude one more little chance. And the game is completely fixed now. It's very playable. We can actually kill other bots and win the game. Although Claude took 4 attempts to make the game. Also, I just realized the minimap is not really working properly, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Next up is Gemini 3 Pro. Let's choose it and paste the prompt. I wonder what kind of game it will make. So Gemini gave us this code. It's a pretty decent sized code. Not too long, not too short. Let's run it and see for ourselves. The game is called Protocol Echo. That sounds cool, and also the UI is different this time. Let's deploy it. Let's deploy. Wait, is the camera on our foot? We can shoot other players. Let's kill them and we will think about camera later. Okay, so we are out of ammo and we also walk slowly. We are like a snail. And we're getting shot. Let's ask Gemini to fix everything up. Well, that's a big request I made. Hopefully Gemini does not mess anything up and give us a playable game. So updated game is called Operation Green Zone and we are completely stuck. The timer is going on but the bots are frozen up. What's wrong with this? Even the console is not showing anything. Let's just ask Gemini to fix everything up. So the game is fixed but everyone is shooting at us. This is the exact problem faced by Claude. I asked Gemini to fix this up, but instead it made it even more miserable and it's completely unplayable now. So in today's challenge, ChatGPT, Deep Agent and Claude passed the test and made a playable web version of Valorant only using code. Deep Agent took only 2 attempts while ChatGPT made the game playable in only 3 attempts. Claude took 4 attempts and Gemini completely flopped it while still taking 4 attempts. Well, AIs cannot make better game than this, and this is also pretty impressive. Shout out to Abacus AI for sponsoring this video. If you want to test out all the AIs in one place, then click on the link in description and get your subscription for only $10. Also, test out Deep Agent to create complete applications and games. Comment down below what other games you want me to make using AI and I will see you guys in the next video.